Welcome everyone, I'm Michael, and today is a very special day. We are doing a celebration collaboration for our good friend Cassie at Epiphany Creations. So let's just get right to it. I'll bring you down to the canvas and let's get to work. All right everyone, I hope you enjoyed that 10-second dance party tribute to Cassie for her birthday. And I hope you've enjoyed all the wonderful artists that is celebrating and collaborating on this wonderful event. I know we have Cassie coming up for her birthday, the birthday girl. I just want to say that I just love this community. I love what we all do for each other. Just a wonderful group of artists. You can never say enough about how everybody is just treated kindly and with such love, and it really just shows all the time. So a big happy birthday, and let's get into this pour, okay? So basically we're gonna do a triple ring pour, and we're gonna do a swipe, okay? So let's see how this pans out. I like to go through the colors really fast if we could, because I think that will save us time, because obviously we have to fill up these 3 cups. So that's going to take a little bit of time. So let's move some of these cups down. Okay. And yeah, let's go through the colors super fast here. Let's start off with our cadmium yellow hue right down here. Yep. Okay. Then we have a primary yellow right here. All right. We have silver. Then we have a primary red, okay? Now we have 3 different colors here that we're gonna use in our swipe, okay? And this is going to be the oxide black, metallic cobalt blue, and this is an Amsterdam copper. And I just have to show you guys this. This is beautiful. This is really good. I mean, it's the first time I've used this, and it's beautiful. I just wanted to show you guys. Okay, so I'm taking up a lot of time here just talking about some copper, but let's get right into it. I also have titanium white, and I also have pillow base up there. You know what it is. I use the same thing all the time. We'll see what happens. All right, so like I said, let's I'd like to go into some music here, and we'll fill up these cups real fast, and that's it. Oh wait, we forgot. You know what time it is. Let's play everyone's favorite game around the world is clean up the sticks and count them. Here we go. Count them with me. 1, 2. Ooh, that one's stuck. 3, 4. Let's grab that titanium white too. 5. Let's go in and we'll grab some of these too. Nope. Let's save those just in case we need to throw them on the knives. Woo! Because we do have some palette knives over here ready to go. Okay? 3 of them right there. Alright. Alright, guys. Ready? Put these away. And I will see you on the other side. Let's go into some music. Let's fill up these cups. Alright, here we go. All right, guys, let's come back in here for a little while we do a little tilt. All right, if you don't mind. All right. Oh, so bright. Look at how bright these colors are here. Oh, I love it. I want to keep these circles as intact as possible. Remember, we are going to swipe too, so it's going to be cool. Yeah, let's keep these circles going. Oh, let's see if we can just do like a nice little rotation. Oh, here we go. Do like a push up and rotate. Here we go. Get those circles moving. Bring them back. Oh, that's nice. Here we go. Oh boy, I think we distorted those circles way too much. I'm gonna come back this way. Here we go. I don't mind the negative space because I think we're gonna swipe into a lot of that negative space, so we can save some of these rings because I do like the rings. I think they look really cool. So maybe let's try something a little different. Maybe let's see if we can get this bottom down. I don't want to lose the ring. See how? Oh, we got it right to the edge. Nice. Okay, guys, let's keep these rings for now. And let's worry about the swiping aspects here now. Let's look at these rings. And let's see what we need to do to accomplish some nice swipe action. And let's clean up these dirty hands. Oh, yeah, guys. Okay. Now, I think, let's talk a second. Okay. So, these rings are very beautiful. I love them. I'm going to put a little bit more extender right here. Okay. And clean up these hands as much as I can. Okay, let's just try to put a little bit of flow extender right here just to fill it in, because I feel like this is a problem right here. All right, here we go. Oh yeah, that was going to be a problem. Definitely. I think it's a little dry right here. Perfect. Let's get it up there. It's nice. Right there. And there's a little spot right there too. Okay, there we go, guys. And down here, obviously. So I don't know how much we're going to tilt after this. I like where these rings are. That's why I'm going to fill this in now, because I don't know how much more we're going to tilt. I want to see where we're at with the swipe situation before we decide on tilting. So let's see what happens here. Okay, good. Put that back up top. Let's get some swipes ready here, guys. Now I'm going to do some of this and some of that lovely copper, and we're gonna swipe over it with black. See how that works. Let's start with this one up here. Okay, so I just want to put some, there we go. Okay, do that. I want to do a little here. I want to see how far we can bring this down. A little bit here, a little here. Okay, I'm going to put some nice, there we go. This is bronze. And it does look a lot like copper, guys. I'm sure you guys would all think the same thing I'm thinking. But yeah, I don't mind being a little, see, like I said, we're going to swipe. And I'm going to follow it up a lot of black right here. All right. There we go. Good thing we kept the sticks in, guys. That's why we kept the sticks in. There we go. Look at all that black. Ooh, yikers. All right. I'm going to come in with the big knife right now. So I want to get a nice big broad swipe here. Let's start it off here and let's just push out. Here we go. There we go. All right. Here we go. Right in those ribbons. Right in the rings. Here we go with that blue and that copper. Here we go. Oh, there. Nice. All right. All right. First swipe in there. Nice. Clean off this knife. There we go. Now, I think let's go to some music, and I'm going to do a bunch of swipes all over the place. So, here we go. I'll see you guys on the other side. Let's do this. All right, guys, I just want to come in here for this last swipe. I know we've been doing music and it's been nice and relaxing, just checking out these swipes, but let's do this last one. Here we go, together. There we go. Oh, see, that's how I was the whole time, just relaxed. Oh boy, whew, these swipes are so pretty. Oh, I love them. What do you guys think? You guys like this technique where you just have some ring pours and some swipes in there? I think it's nice. I think it adds some nice character. And I actually like having some of this white. Maybe we get rid of a little bit of the, maybe we'll put a little bit of this black right there just to break that up a little. I think there's a lot of white, you know, compared to a lot of the other parts of the canvas. So let's throw some over here. Here we go. And it's nice there's colors in this too, so that's good too. Here we go. And I'll break that up a little. There we go. Oh, that's nice. There we go. Let's see if we can drag it right back this way too. Keep it even if we could. I feel like this side of the canvas is struggling with paint for some reason. I don't know why. I haven't quite figured that out yet, but we'll take care of that. Oh, I'm throwing stuff at it. You know, here, you need some extra paint. Let's throw it on there right now. We'll come right across with another swipe real fast, and then we'll go in for a beautiful close-up of this. I love it. Oh, I love these swipes in here, guys, so much. It's so pretty. Let's just see if we can get a nice black swipe here. Last black swipe of the night. Here we go. And we're gonna go in for that close-up. Okay, here we go. Oof. Bring it right down to the, I gotta get it right in that middle. Actually, let's grab some of these extra colors too. I don't mind it. There we go. Ready? Here we go. I'm gonna put a lot of that black right there because I feel like that's the trouble area of this canvas right there. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah. Okay. There's a nice little section right there. Okay. All right, guys. Let's go in for close-up. I love it. Okay, I'm so excited. Oh, thank you for this wonderful collaboration with everybody. And happy birthday. Let's go in for close-up, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.